Mark.
Get it already. Welcome to my party one more time.
Yeah, man, you good,
We can release
We gon' get the pussy niggas hype. They don't really wanna see us shine together, ride together. Even though we gonna die together. Cause she got me thinking about my big brother. Even though I wish I could slide from her brother. Put it down, drop it down. I don't really like about it, baby girl. Give it to me for the one time. Give it to me 2 times. Shawty, you my best. You my one and only best.
What's up, my man? So what you been doing, man, as far as life goes, man? How life treating you so far, my man?
You know, same shit.
Yeah.
No music. You know, I guess my short films as always do. Things like that.
Yeah, man. That's how it is for us, bro. All we do, bro, just really try to stay maintained and just get to that music, man, and just really try to push forward to it, because you know, as far as you doing that music, you start lacking if you start if you don't put yourself to it. You gotta put yourself into it, because it's gonna be time when you lacking, bro. So I gotta make sure me and my little brother know. You know, I got especially my little brother Roy to studio. I gotta make sure he stay up in that studio, man. And, you know,
So y'all got a lot of music right now?
Man,
y'all got some.
We got a lot of music, bro. But we ain't got nothing out though. We make music for ourselves though. But it's the new outcome.
For now, but I try to. Like,
we coming out. We got some mixtapes coming out. Some albums coming out.
Yeah.
We got
New shit like this.
I feel like it's gonna change the new industry when we come.
Oh yeah. So I would like that.
The way we come with our flows is different.
It's different.
Right.
We different.
Especially we from different type of cultures. We're not just
English,
like we're not
Speak on that. Speak on that.
Feel me?
Y'all look like a little bit different and shit. Like,
we're not Americans or nothing like that. Nah,
where y'all coming from though?
No, we from Africa. We from Burundi.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Burundi, like in Central Africa?
Yeah.
Like, that's what I'm from. This is what
Oh, I seen that. I was looking at that. I was looking at that. I was looking at that. Hey, kama ni Kirundi nyo rakizi nyo ravuki Kirundi.
Man, Hockey nigga. No, that's what
Hey, no kule ni wacho ngene kule kuiba.
So, none. Kubera iki mukunda icyongereza kandi muri abarundi?
Sindakubesha mumvugisha ukuri. Twega twabwira gatatu turi batatu. Usantino to mixing Ikirundi ni Chongereza. Like if I'm talking to you like right now, I can mix that.
So yeah, pretty much I try to make more here than back home, or y'all try to mix it up.
Really, what we really want to do is like
we want to switch up them lingo.
We want to switch up, like I said, the industry.
The industry.
Because what we say is we you know, we're not in Africa. So if we start singing, making music from Africa, we live in America.
Yeah,
people not gonna want to understand it.
We trying to start
not a lot of people that's gonna understand.
We trying to start
trap music. We coming out with trap. It's cause we trap hip hop. Kirundi and American.
Right.
You understand me?
Right.
Because most of these Africans out here, we are coming and singing. When it comes to hip hop, it's all lovey-dovey. It's not strong. It's not strong as the way Americans do it.
Right.
But at the same time, we have the potion for America.
Right.
You understand, man? We have the potion for Africa. Mix it together. That's a new industry.
Right.
Understand me?
Oh shit! I see what you.
You see what I'm talking about? We're talking about 2 potions right there.
So like, either it makes.
Because at the same time, we're gonna get these American people to understand where we're coming from.
Right.
And then where we're coming from, they're gonna understand what level we are.
Exactly.
Understand me?
And y'all gonna let them know where y'all coming from, so like the Burundi flag is gonna be on the map.
On the map.
We try to put worldwide. You know, we try to bring trap music into Africa. Because you know how like you might hear over in America, you might hear a mother say in front of the kid. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You're not gonna hear no African parents saying
Yeah.
You're not gonna hear that. In music, in American music, hip hop, you're gonna hear a number of negativity. Either you promoting negativity or violence, or you promoting some either positive shit. But it's it's hip hop. It's street flavor. It's street flavor. So we're trying to bring street flavor into this music thing, but from back home put Burundi on the map. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't gonna lie, right now, African music really going right now.
Yeah.
African music right now, it's all over the radio and everything, man. So we're trying to.
Yeah, if you see back in days, man, it's like, so if you like a Burundian or Rwandese or Congolese, and you do collabo with American, they used to not play that shit on the radio. They used to not do that. But here now, since they know in Africa we're doing big with the Afro beats, or what's it called? The one from South Africa. I'm a piano. And all that shit. Now Americans are scared right now.
Yeah.
They're scared.
Yeah.
Cause Africans, man, they like,
bro,
like
Tanzania is hot right now because they got American people on their side.
Exactly.
Like
and
for
that
example,
too.
Diamond Platinum's coming out making with Rick Ross. You understand me?
Yeah.
Diamond Platinum's coming out. So it's showing that they got Tanzania, they got the, you know what I'm saying? They got that people.
They got their people.
Burundi people, we stayed low, put our hands in our pocket, like, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
So basically we try to put our hands out the pocket and show them what we have.
What we have.
What we have, because we strong, and we the one that started.
Collaboration too.
We Burundi, our population is the one that started out drums. If you really read, we the one that started out drums. Before the drums started going out anywhere, Burundi people is the one that started out making drums.
Right.
That's what our industry means. Burundi.
Okay.
Drums.